Claude Code can automate your whole SEO strategy for you. And once you see how deep this goes, you're going to wonder why you ever did it any other way. I've been using Claude Code for my own SEO, not just for writing articles, I mean the whole thing, research, publishing, ranking, competitor analysis, all of it. I want to walk you through exactly how I use it because most people are sleeping on this. Now, let's start with content distribution. Let's say, for example, you write a YouTube script. Claude Code takes that script and posts it across your platform. So you can post it on LinkedIn, Reddit, your website, done. One piece of content, multiple places that it can rank. Now, it creates unique versions of that too, but that's the simplest version of what this can do. And what you can actually do here is you can give it your API keys to these other tools, or you can give it access to computer use, but either way it can post for you directly. And it goes way deeper than this. You can give Claude Code your Netlify access token. It will generate content, create the images to go with it, publish everything online, and those pages rank on Google with no manual publishing, no going back and forth. You give it the task, it handles it. An agency owner, for example, I know is running several niche sites this way. One person, 5 sites, all publishing and ranking on Autopilot. You can also give it your WordPress login details. Claude Code can log in directly, write the post, format it properly, and publish it. If you've ever had a virtual assistant do this for you, you know how much time that used to take and how much time it used to cost too. Now it's instant. And here's something most people aren't doing yet. Keyword research connected to the live data, right? If you connect Claude Code to an API like Firecrawl, it gets real-time keyword data. You can ask it what keywords to go after. It tells you based on what's actually ranking right now. Then it builds the content around those keywords. And if you want it to go after your competitors, Firecrawl handles that tool. So it can, for example, read their content, find what they're ranking for, and help you build something that actually outranks it. Will Scott, for example, runs a digital marketing agency. He's not a developer, but he started using Claude Code to pull and analyze data from Google Search Console, GA4, and Google Ads. He said setup took about an hour. After that, he could ask questions like, which keywords am I paying for that I already rank for organically, and then get an answer in seconds instead of spending an afternoon in spreadsheets. That's an agency owner, not a coder, doing things that used to take a full team. This is the thing most people are missing. Claude Code isn't a tool for developers. It's a tool for anyone running a business who wants to stop doing things manually. Now, if you want step-by-step walkthroughs on how to do this, how to run it, etc., you can check it out inside the app Profit Boarding. And if you want to get a full step-by-step, one-to-one call that shows you exactly how to rank, we can do that on goldie.agency. Link in the comments description, or go to goldie.agency and you can book in a free one-to-one SEO strategy session. Now, let me open a loop here because there's a feature that makes all of this work even when your laptop is off, and most people have no idea it exists yet. Claude Code now has scheduled tasks. So you can set a task, you give it the instructions, you set a schedule, and it runs in the cloud on Anthropic's infrastructure, whether you're at your desk or not. That means your SEO content gets published, your keyword research gets updated, your competitor analysis runs, all without you doing a single thing. You just wake up and it's already done. This is what changes for a solo business owner. You don't need a team to run an SEO operation at scale anymore. You can set it up once and let it run. And there's more. One thing I haven't personally tested yet, but you could absolutely do, is you could connect Claude Code to a business email account. It could then do the outreach and the follow-up for you. So someone finds your article on Google, fills out a form, and Claude Code handles the first reply and the follow-up sequence. And that's a full lead generation loop without you even touching it. There's also the new Claude Code Ultra plan that just dropped today. If you're pitching clients, for example, you can use it to plan out their full SEO strategy, keywords, content pillars, competitive plans, and gaps, and then hand them a detailed proposal that looks like it took a team 2 weeks to put together. I'm already using it to map out some ideas that I've got before calls and to help my sales team. And here's the thing about where SEO is going. It's not just Google anymore. You've got AI overviews, ChatGPT, Perplexity. These are all surfaces where your content can appear. And Claude Code can optimize for all of them, not just traditional Google rankings. So if you're not thinking about this yet, your competitors are, and they're going to take the traffic that should be yours, right? And the people who figure this out now, who set up even 1 or 2 of these workflows in the next 30 days, are going to be miles ahead. SEO used to require a big team or a big agency retainer. Claude Code makes it something one person can run at scale for a fraction of the cost. I'm using it to run multiple websites, multiple platforms, all publishing and ranking. YouTube scripts that also rank, articles on LinkedIn and Reddit that pull in search traffic, and I'm doing it without a full team behind me. And the prompts I've built for this, the workflows that actually work, the step-by-step setup for connecting Claude Code to your site and your keyword strategy tools, you can book in a free SEO strategy session with our team and we'll build a custom plan for your site specifically. We'll look at what you've already got, what keywords you should be targeting, and exactly how to use Claude Code to start ranking and getting more customers from Google and also AI search. Link in the comments description, or go to goldie.agency to book that in. Stop doing SEO manually. Claude Code is here. Use it. It's a very powerful tool and super high leverage to use. Thanks for watching.